Are you overwhelmed by the repetitive tasks bogging down your e-commerce business? What if I told you that you could set up an automated order management system with just a few clicks and focus more on growing your business? Let's dive into simplifying your workflows and saving time using no-code solution. Welcome back to AI Automation Rocks, where we turn your business headaches into smooth running machines. I'm Serge, and today's tutorial will explore how you can build a streamlined order management system using tools like Airtable and Zapier. You'll learn how to automate everything from order receipt to delivery in easy-to-follow, step-by-step process. By the end of this video, you'll have a dynamic workflow that not only saves time but also reduces costs, allowing you to concentrate on what truly matters, growing your business. Let's jump right in. Our first step is to set up an Airtable base to manage our orders. Airtable is a powerful no-code tool that allows you to easily track and organize your data. We will start by creating a new database in Airtable, starting from scratch. And we name it order management. Let it be this color. This table we can also rename table. It will be orders. And now we have to set up the columns. So this one will be order ID. Then the next one we will have the customer name. Customer name. Next one we have products details. It's gonna be a bigger one, so long text. And then with status. In status we'll update later, and also the delivery date, where we use the date. So we'll fill in the table with some test data that it was prepared by somebody. So as with here, the status will be like shipped, transferred, delivered, pending, and also so we have some data, at least some data in the table. Now that we have our base set up, the next step will be created automated workflows in Zapier. When you go to Zapier, we create Zap. And we're starting from the trigger, and the trigger will be the Airtable, some changes in the Airtable, and we will use the new update record as a trigger event and sign up. For signing up to the connecting the Airtable to Zapier, we'll select our database. We called it order management, and grant access to this one. So now we need continue, and we selecting again the database, and we selecting the tables, and timestamp. We need this timestamp for the. We need to add the update field for in order to last modified time. So based on this one, it will be used in Zapier. So for timestamp, we need last modified time that we added already, so it was updated, and column. So now we have to continue and test the trigger. So we have some records already. Somebody. So this can be Michael Brown, order. So let's select the first one. The first one is John Smith. Shipped. Continue with this one. Okay, so the next step. So we have set up the Airtable in the Zap. We can rename it like orders, and so our next step can be the sending email or notify a team, or it can be both. So for example, if we are taking for example the Slack notification, and we choosing the remove receive send channel message. So we have connected already the account, but if not, so it will just connect. You should connect the same way it was connected the Airtable, and then we choosing the channel, for example this one, and message new order from this number, and then we continue. So we need to test the trigger first, and it was done. Then we go in here, and we can map with the data received from the Airtable. So we put here the name and the order number, and we can also add delivery date from the table, and all this data will be sent to the Slack. We can bot name. We can use. Usually, it's used the name of the person who is placed the order. It will be more recognizable in the channel. So there's the step. So this was the information that was mapped with sent further. So if we want to add one more, like sending email, for example, we can send email confirmation to the customer who placed the order on different stages, or we can send it to our customer support, like an indication that the order was placed. So now you have a fully functioning order management workflow that keeps your customers informed and your team organized. With this no-code solution, you can take control of your time and resources like never before. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What challenge should you have facing automation within your order management? Have any success stories? Drop your comments below and let's talk solutions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe for more tutorials on no-code automation. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, the power of automation is at your fingertips. Let's make your e-commerce journey smoother together.